it. We be married.
Bow, 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 bow.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Bro, it's been a minute since y'all seen me on the camera, on the vloggy vlog. I'm trying.
Y'all tell her she needs to pick up the camera and vlog. Like, come on now.
I be trying, bro. That editing, but it's about to be a weekend in my life. It's our dog's birthday, her best friend, like my new bonus sister.
Are we all sissies at this point?
It's her
January
birthday.
what?
It's January 26th. Her birthday's the 29th.
And we about to transfer a Megan house into a brick spot. We're gonna surprise her. She don't know what I'm doing. Tricks up my
whole living room, my couch is in a closet. Like, we transforming my whole apartment just for free. If you see this, we love you.
We love you.
So yeah.
Y'all, one thing my mama gonna do is be outside, okay?
Outside. Rifle walk. Rifle walk.
She said, go to sleep, RJ, so that big people that come outside.
Be outside.
10:30 more later than drop them jaws. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I stay straight, stay to your face.
So this is what we got so far. Where's our focus? There we go. We get in there, all pink affair, 29 shades of pink. Got to see helping me, she's the best. I rented out her spot for 100K.
Full time, no, we get the body of it too busy. You got my body like a genie.
On the way to that beach. Beach, let's get away.
Yo, we finally got on after like 10 months. Like, it's been raining, it's been cold, it's just been like, hello, we in Florida.
We going to the beach, y'all. This is day 2. She texted me. This is day 2. Today's beach day, well, beach afternoon, because it's 3. We didn't get out of bed. We was up, but we didn't get out of bed till like 11. And then, yeah. But
We'll catch y'all when we at the beach.
yeah, we about to set up beach day. The kiddos in the back. Look at
Bree, look, say hi.
oh, RJ took a nap. This is his nap time. He ain't take no nap. My baby been off schedule. See y'all when we see y'all.
Tastes real funny, boy.
Phenomenal. Cheers! I'm drinking an energy drink.
Show them the weather.
Look how she looking like day watch.
Bati, show the bati. Whoa, he's zooming by the bati. RJ blowing bubbles.
Yeah. We didn't show y'all to get ready, but this is the fit. We're surprising her. I look like a bubblegum. This is the most pink I've ever worn in my life. So Free, if you ever say I don't love you, this is the most pink I ever worn in my life, but we're surprising her by wearing pink today because it's her favorite color. And look at Sissy. Ow. Ow, 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 purr. Bow, bow, that's that booty bee.
It's your birthday. Your birthday, girl.
I've arrived.
Where your hat? Where your birthday hat? They so cute.
Oh, we gotta get our pizza. I'm taking another shot. We eat them hot dogs every day after we drunk.
We out here.
Birthday girl.
My dog birthday.
We got
Birthday girl, where you at?
20 minutes to turn up.
We got 20 minutes to turn up at
We
Ghost
go
Bar.
somewhere after. It don't matter.
That's what I said.
We running the streets.
It's a pink affair. How you feel about us wearing pink?
You went for her birthday.
But she came out to
Yo, we from St. Martin. This nigga gonna ask us where's St. Martin. Like, how you don't know where St. Martin is?
I didn't know until I greased one.
The latest 5 minutes ever in this one.
Yo,
But me and Sneak had 30.
nah, the funny, yo,
They had
He was
5.
at the bar.
y'all missed it. Y'all missed it. The fat hoe fell. Y'all missed it.
You can't curse
And
on YouTube.
she knocked over the ice.
You can't curse on YouTube.
I said fat hoe. That's not a curse word. Bro,
I didn't see
Megan
no
Ball
flag.
edit her whole
you know,
gonna
bro,
be 5 minutes.
And my mom was cussing.
you know how when you fall and you know you want to make sure no one saw you, you don't look up. That's what she did. And she just kept walking.
I just saw the thing fall. I didn't see
Yeah, she's like, and then she.
No, it went.
Decorated here. I'm like, Dre, this is what you wearing to go out when you getting dressed. He's like, well, I'm gonna come back home and get dressed when I'm ready.
What I first said was, I'm not inclined to answer.
What you said? First he said, I'm not inclined.
I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. But you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I stay straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate.
Okay.
We about to play Twister. Look in the
Hi, boy. Spin the board.
He be trying to get him.
Get up and start reading.
Drake. Gang, gang. I forgot to tell y'all, look at the goodie bag. Bags. And it got our initials on there. Look at mine. Her. Yeah, I just showed them the goodie bag. Look, they got their initials on them. Shata Cloud. How you feel? How you feel?
It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So confused, won't you?
I had Bree, which one won? That looked like that one. Yeah. Take another shot.
I had to climb the shit out of the sun.
Now I gotta pee.
It was a success. Bow. It was a success.
I hope we got enough footage. We got enough footage?
I think so. I hope so.
What time is it?
It's 9:31.
A time was had, y'all.
Bike it home, get home at like 5. And you're going to see the bike it back.
9:31. A time was had. Now we gotta start the week over. I know. And go to work tomorrow. Well, and then she gotta get free and do school and stuff.
You gotta wake up at 6:30. Bree, it's past your bedtime. Why you still up?
The kiddos eating Jello.
Yes, we are. This is our ugly.
Oh, you better let them know.
You're not old enough to get hit by a boat.
What is up, Nala Gang Squad? We are back in the video with another video. I know it's been a minute. It's been a while. Don't attack me. We are here with another weekend vlog.
Yeah, Corey, we got a call today.
Niecy in the cut.
And I'm playing with in a couple.
In the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Yeah, so this weekend it's another birthday, you know, celebrating another birthday. We over here getting ready. Don't mind how I look, but underneath, ooh, bow. Your girl is looking snatched underneath, but it's okay. Yeah, so stay along with us. It's gonna be a vibe. You're gonna catch us in the scene, in the act again. Put it.
Put a cup in my break.
We had breakfast this morning. I cooked breakfast. I'm gonna put a little snip somewhere over here of the video that I made. But yeah, right now we getting ready. I'm about to go fix my hair, put some lashes on. I already got my fit on underneath, like I said. Can y'all guess what? They can't see all that. That's too much. Can y'all guess what we about to do? We about to do something like, this is my first time doing this, so it's gonna be new for me, and I think new for my god sister and Free too. But yeah, we about to guess down in the comments below. Guess what we about to do based on what y'all just saw. But yeah, stay tuned. We about to be Liddy and the Biddy, my god sister over here getting ready. She getting ready.
I gotta go.
Come up. Free getting ready too, but you know, yeah.
You can show the little back.
The little back, she getting ready. No, don't mind the room. No, you know how it is when females getting ready, but yeah, stay tuned. There's nowhere to be found.
I know, I'm gonna.
Yeah, we have made it finally to the pole dancing place. We're on time. What time is it? 2:58. We got 2 minutes to spare, bitch. When are we ever on time? Today we're on time. 2 minutes to spare. Look, we about to learn. I'm gonna be doing tricks like this. Happy birthday! It's our birthday, girl. Purr. Look, she's sitting up. Let's see the fit. Girl, I look like a whole. We all vibe in here. Bow. Y'all, we about to have so much fun. Right. Y'all see the hair? By me, of course. I always get myself together. Y'all stay tuned. Cause we about to do this. I look so cakey, but look, they got me cooking. I'm making some salmon and shrimp. I'm about to make some mashed potatoes, and I'm about to make from Trader Joe's the fried rice. You know, chef in the bitty, so you know I gotta cook it up. But I'm about to play music again, so can't stop me in my mind. All right, vlog. This is the fit for us going out tonight. I got on white sandals. I'm coming. We about to leave. We trying to make it by 8 o'clock so that we don't gotta pay. It's 7:33 right now. We trying to make it by 8 so we don't gotta pay. So let's see if we make it. But this is the fit. Hair, makeup by me. Y'all can't tell me this ain't my real hair. This is coming out my scalp. Okay. All right. See y'all later. Lord, look at my hair. Shit's sticking up.
Spanish mommy.
Bruh.
Your hair stay good.
It is day what? Day 2?
Day 2.
Yeah.
Day 2. Last night it was something. We're just gonna say it was something.
It was a roller coaster.
It was
because we used to our island music and shit. Camp Sound is more like American. They play not one lick of island music.
But it was cool. We was chilling with our little hookah.
You don't want that.
We was getting shots left and right.
How many shots we had?
Bro, I stopped at 6. And then I know he came back with like 3 Patron shots.
Oh yeah.
And then he came back with the rest of the Patron bottle.
I was done after that.
So it was about like I would say like 10 free shots. Like we literally paid for nothing.
1, 2.
Shout out to Thunder Friend. He looked out for us.
Right.
6, 7.
We always be
9,
every time we go out, we never pay for anything.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Okay.
But we're about to go get food right now. It is
no, you can't.
11:57.
There's 1.
And we were supposed to go to brunch, but we ain't going brunch no more.
Yeah, we were supposed to go brunch, but birthday girl is hungover,
That's the whole point.
we're just doing rice and toast today, and we're about to go get something to eat. We got the kiddos. Me and RJ's matching. I'm gonna show y'all the fit when we get out the car. But where we going? Talking tacos.
Yeah.
No,
just go straight up.
Go.
Oh.
12.
But yeah, we'll catch y'all.
So you wait till I come ready.
We'll catch y'all.
1, 2,
Or this place too.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh.
Oh, bless you.
What's that?
We'll be back. We trying to figure out what we got to eat. This is where we're going to eat. We're trying this place. We saw it on TikTok, so we're not going to King Tacos no more. We're going here.
Okay, you stay.
So I'm gonna try to know what the vibes is when we get inside.
Are they ready to eat? They're cutting up. You ready to eat?
Eat. Papa.
Bree going in it.
That stretch felt good, boy.
All right, y'all. I got a burrito. It's good, Papa. You like it?
A straw.
This is my burrito, y'all. Y'all, ooh, that light too bright, and it's like a little bit brighter. But this is the fit.
Can I see it?
We about to get ready to go to Rising Toes. Y'all like my makeup? I think I did good. I think y'all like the fit. Look at Sissy fit. Purr, looking cute.
I gotta put some
yes, and then looking free. Purr, we all looking cute. We all
Suck
looking
my
cute.
stomach in.
Back outside.
Oh yeah, I wasn't even sucking him.
Alright, see y'all when we get there. I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone because I'm not taking my camera because it's a little bit. But yeah.
My parents
We in spot number 2.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play